A very good afternoon, student. Today we are going to discuss about data query language. Already we are learned data control language, transaction control language, and data manipulation language. Now we are discussed data query language. Data query language consists of commands used to query or retrieve the data from the database. Whether query or retrieve the data from the database. One such SQL command in data query language. What is that? Select. Select means you have display the record, which one you did that record, you have select the table. And next is the data type. The data in the database is stored based on the kind of the value stored in it. This is identify the data type of the data or assigning each field of the data type. So it is used to identify the data type of the data by assigning of the each field of the data. All the values in a given field must do in the same type of the data. An ANSI SQL standard recognize only the text and number data type. What is they will be recognized? Text and number data type. While some of the commercial program use other database like what is the day and time, etc. So some of the data type and description they given the table. First is the character. Here is the fixed string value. Already you are learned the C++. Here how can you write that? So values of the data this type is include the single quotes. Any data, any character we are writing in the table mean you are using the single quotes along with the single quote. Anu will be written a single quotes is the intersect you have write Anu. And next is the variable character with character string. This is a similar to character except the size of the data entry vary considerably. And next is the decimal. This is you are using the table des. It refers the fractional numbers such as another point, the 15.12. This is the decimal value. Here the size of the argument consists of two parts. One is the precision, another one is the scale. So the here the size, the argument, the two parts. 15 is the precision, mean 12 is the scale. The precision indicates how many digits the number may have. The scale, how many digits of the number. And the scale indicates maximum number of the digits to the right of the decimal point. The size 5,2 indicates precision is the 5 and scale is the 2. So the scale cannot exceed the precision. Understood you all? Yes. Next is the numeric. It is the same as decimal except the maximum number of the digits may not exceed the precision argument. Next is the integer. You know that integer part. Okay, but before the decimal, what is the number we are using? This is the integer part. Otherwise, the whole number. It represents the number without the decimal point. Here, the size argument not used. And small integer, it is a small yes integer, but the default size may be a smaller than integer. And float, it represents the floating point number in base at 10 exponential notation and may define the precision up to a maximum of 64. And real, it is the same as float except the size argument is not used and may define the precision up to maximum 64. Double, same as the real except the precision may exceed the double of the integer value. Next is the SQL commands and their function. Tables are only the way to store the data. You know what is the way you are doing in the tables? You store the data. Therefore, all the information has to be arranged in the form of tables. The SQL provides the predetermined set of the commands to work the process. First is the keywords. The special meaning of SQL. They are understood or the instruction what you are giving. And commands, they are instruction given by the user to the database, also known as the statement. We are giving the commands here, go run, that all. And classes that begin with the keyword and consist of keyword or argument. So argument, there are values given the mark of the class completed. The table you are giving the class, you want to give the another argument 1, 2. This is the another concept of the given the make the class complete. Next is the first is the DDL, data definition language commands. First is the you are using create. You can create table by using the create table command. What is the command we are using? Create table command. When the table is created, is a column A or named. So data type and size are to be specified. Each table must have at least one column. Okay, each table having the one column and row. The syntax of the create table command is create table. What is the table name you want to give? That is the table by in between you want to give. Next is the column name and data type. What is the size you are using? And next is the column name, data phase, size. This is the syntax of the create table command. Now let us about the syntax to store some information about the students of the class in the database. Here how can use in the table in the SQL. First you are create table. What is the table you want to create? Table name is student. What kind of value you get there? Admission number, name, gender, age and place. So admission number means will be a integer value. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a whole number. And name means characters. Maximum you are one person having the maximum 8 character or 20 and 30 above. So you have remaining the 20. And gender means female or male. And age, what is the age? 12 and 14. So you have whole number. You are using the integer. And place is the characters, and you are using the 10 is the address. So using the character or 10. So above one is the simple table structure without any restriction. You can also set constraint the limit of the type, and data can go to the field of the this format we are using already using the C++. Same only here is a different, we are using the SQL in the commands. So up to how read this point. Thank you student.